Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Mizarnish and you're watching English Corner 7 and 6. Friends, today we're gonna learn short English sentences. अगर आप अपनी conversation को बेहतर बनाना चाहते हैं then must watch full video. So let's start today's lesson. मजाक के अलावा ये सच बात है. Joking apart, it is true. Joking apart, it is true. गाली देना बुरी बात है. It is bad to abuse. It is bad to abuse. हर गधे को अपनी आवाज़ सुरीली लगती है. Every ass loves his bray. Every ass loves his bray. कमाल कर दिया. Done wonderfully. आपने शर्ट उल्टी पहनी है. You are wearing shirt inside out. You are wearing shirt inside out. जूता उल्टा पड़ा है. Shoe lies upside down. Shoe lies upside down. मेरा पेट खराब है. I have got an upset stomach. I have got an upset stomach. मेरा मैदा खराब है या पेट खराब है को इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे I have got an upset stomach. ज़्यादा परेशान मत हूँ. Don't fuss too much. Don't fuss too much. तुम वापस कैसे आए? How have you come back? How have you come back? उससे सख्त मेहनत करवाओ. Make him work hard. Make him work hard. वो तुम्हारा क्या लगता है? Who is he to you? Who is he to you? गरम खाना पेश करो. Serve the hot food. Serve the hot food. काम आज ही करवाओ. Get this work done today. Get this work done today. मैं कश्मीर जा रही हूँ. I am going to Kashmir. अपने वक्त से भरपूर फ़ायदा उठाओ. Make the best use of your time. Make the best use of your time. वो एक एक मिनट का पाबंद है. He is punctual to the minute. He is punctual to the minute. वक्त कितनी तेज़ी से गुज़रता है. How time flies. How time flies. अपने तक ही रखना. Keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. मुझ पर बुरी नज़र मत डालो. Don't put a hex on me. Don't put a hex on me. उसके हाथों बहुत से लोगों ने दुख उठाया. Many a man has suffered at his hand. Many a man has suffered at his hand. सुस्ती सब बीमारियों की जड़ है. Idleness is the root cause of all ills. Idleness is the root cause of all ills. आपके पास कितनी नकदी है? How much is the cash in hand? How much is the cash in hand? कदर खो देता रोज़ का आना जाना. Familiarity breeds contempt. Familiarity breeds contempt. काम से जी मत चुराओ. Don't shuck work. खरबूजे को देखकर खरबूजा रंग पकड़ता है. Society molds men. Society molds men. मैं ज़रूर इस बात का ख्याल रखूँगा या रखूँगी. I will surely keep this in my mind. I will surely keep this in my mind. इससे क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? What does it make difference? What does it make difference? वो भी मेरा दोस्त था. He was once my friend. Or she was once my friend. अगर फीमेल के लिए यूज़ करें तो. This is it for today. Inshallah, we will meet soon with a new topic. Stay connected, keep learning. Don't go without subscribing my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.